In this video, we will show you how to use the SmartBoard MX Series Interactive Displays mic array when connected to a room computer or guest laptop. The mic array is available on the SmartBoard MX V4 Series Interactive Display and later models. Connect your computer to the display and select the computer as the display's input. On your computer, open the sound input settings. On Mac, go to System Settings, Sound, Input. On Windows, go to Settings, System, Sound, Input. In the Input Device list, choose SmartBoard Mic Array. Use your computer's sound control to adjust input volume and background noise reduction. If you ever need to mute the display's mic array, just press the mute button on the display's remote control. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to the Smart Support YouTube channel and visit smarttech.com. Thanks for watching.